If I could give myself one piece of advice, it would be to enjoy every moment in life because it might be already too late. Life moves so fast, and it is easy to get caught worrying about the future or regretting about the past. But the truth is, the moment we really have is now. So take time to appreciate the people around you, the experiences you have, and even the small things that makes you happy. Don't wait for the perfect time. Make the most of today. Every moment is precious, and once it's gone, you can't get it back. So live fully, enjoy every moment, and don't take everything for granted.